At the twilight's last gleaming.
Whose broad stripes and bright stars
Through the perilous flight.
Over the ramparts we watch was so gallant.
It's funny how y'all fade out.
Hey, where's the Rockets Red Glare?
Lauren and the Rockets Red Glare.
Lauren.
He's doing it. Listen.
Lauren.
That our flag was still there.
Oh, say does that.
Hey, you missed it. Hey,
Isn't that the part
George
where
the whistle?
I'm sorry.
George, you missed it. We were whistling earlier to Mayberry RFD.
Hey,
Tried to, but nobody would get in it.
I don't know how to whistle, Dad.
Ooh. Just got stabbed by John Sparkler.
Shit, get over it.
It just started.
I know. They just started biting.
I know.
That was good.
Oh.
Man, this is a pretty good damn good seat.
Do it.
Oh. Oh, did y'all see the Queen when the Queen's 50th, what was it called, Jubilee?
Jubilee or something.
Jubilee.
Oh, hush.
Jubilee.
Shush.
Janet, we won our freedom from them in 1776. We don't watch them no more.
But their
Anymore,
fireworks
thank you.
over the Buckingham Palace or whatever it was, those were going everywhere.
This could be it.
Red, white, and green. We are taken over by Mexicans.
Shut the...
Who's laughing over there?
Where's Marky?
Marky told me he was with his lady friend.
And he couldn't bring his lady friend
I
over?
guess he couldn't bring her
That's not
over.
high enough for grand.
I think.
Oh, there it goes.
I thought y'all said they posted steaks on the grill.
They did at Big Mark's.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
We got next. Better.
Ours was good.
I know.
You didn't get stood up like.
Oh, yeah.
Like what?
You don't want to know. Oh, that's kind of
Oh,
neat.
it's going to be pretty. Yep.
Where are they?
I sure hope nobody got hurt on that one, Timmy.
Tim, run.
I finally have something to put on
He
YouTube.
finally got his Social Security card
Change. For what?
for Timothy.
Ooh.
It had
Timothy.
Timmy on there.
What did it have on there?
Timmy.
It said, "What's your name?" Sign your name, so he signed Timmy.
What's the name of your dog? Lassie.